Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath there is a thumbs up area. That's what that pillow is there to remind me to remind you guys. That helps for my growth on the YouTube platform. So please, if you have a second and you're enjoying my content, hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue and the number will increase. And I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. So thank you. All right. Today, I'm so excited to share with you. I finally got in my Brandefy Bright Beauty Faves box. And this is the one that I told you guys about months ago. And I got introduced to this box. So many things have happened with this box, and I want to thank them also, because they did reach out for me and I was able to get my first PR package from them that I shared with you. And I will leave that one link down below, because through my communications back with them, they said that they did see what I chose for my paid version, and what they sent in the PR package was the other options. So this way on my channel, you'll be able to see both, and you'll be able to see what I picked. And if you want to see what the other options are, I will have that one linked down below when I did that video. So why I'm so excited about this is to me such a find, and whenever I have something that I find, I want to make sure to tell you guys about it. And this is a $15 quarterly box, and what makes this box so unique is this is a brand that started as an app that you were able to go in and see what the dupes were for some of the more expensive lines. They had what they felt was a close enough alternative for lesser dollars. So it's a fantastic app. So if you're not following that app on Instagram, it is a great app, and I do recommend it. And that one is called Brandefy. They came out with this box. They worked, it's in an incubator where it's like other people, you know, the money's behind it, and they're able to get this out to us at these type of prices. So it is so fantastic. But what makes this one so unique is it's through text message. They send you down when the box is ready, and I don't know if I mentioned it's quarterly. So this, what they do is they send you down a text message, and in the text message that will give you an option. There's four products that you will have in the box, and you get a choice between two. And I knew I was going to fall in love with this box when I had trouble choosing between the two. And that's when you know that it is going to be an amazing box. So no matter what you choose, it is an absolute win-win. So to me, I never choose based, and some girls choose that they want the value of their box to be more, or they want, you know, I choose based on if it's products that are going to be new to me, that I get to enjoy, or it's something I want to replenish. But I never choose when I'm in a subscription box based on the retail values. That's just not how I shop. But I know a lot of girls do, and you can shop that way as well. So, like I said, this is $15, and it comes free ship in the USA. This is what it looks like here. It has the cute little, you know, white crinklies. It's really well done. It's a heavy duty box. So let me go through what I picked, and I'm going to see if I have the other box here, if I can show you a little bit of what the differences are, but I really would prefer that you watch that other video, because I go into a lot more details like that. This one, the choice that I chose is from Milani. This was my first choice, was between this one and another Milani palette. This is what the other Milani palette was. It was called Gilded. And like I said, I shared that in the previous video. But this was what I chose for myself for my paid box. And this is, before you started, those were your first two choices. And this is a $20 palette in the drugstore. So excited when I saw that. And I knew that I was paying $15 for the box. So everything else, the choices were just as good. But this right away, right off the top, was an absolute winner. So this is from Gilded Jewel. It comes with the full mirror. It is Milani. Milani is a fantastic drugstore brand. You hear me talk about it numerous times on my channel. I use everything from their foundation to their primers to everything. I just, their eyeshadows. I actually just opened up, I got, and I'll see if I can link that one down below as well. I got some fantastic palettes for $12.97 that are full face, which are eyeshadows, blush, bronzers, and things like that. it's fantastic what they're doing. And to me, that was an absolute dupe for, Charlotte Tilbury. So it's just fantastic, fantastic. But this is the gorgeous one that I chose for me. And like I said, I'll have linked down below the other ones, so you'll be able to see what the other palettes and other choices that we had. The next one was a choice from the brand called Yes To. And for myself, I chose the cleanser because, as you know, I love cleanser. I go through cleansers because a lot of times I'm trying out products, so I have to wash my makeup off, put the product back on. So for me, this was a choice. The other choice, which they ended up sending me, is the eye cream, and it is scrumptious. So like I said, no matter what you choose or what you chose, it's an absolute win. And this is Yes To. This is the Avocado Fragrance-Free Daily Cream Cleanser, and it is $9. And I took off, there was a safety seal on it around, like those plastic safety seals, but they didn't have the safety seal inside, so that I'm able to put this out to show you the what the product looks like here. And there's no real scent to it. It just smells really, really clean, but it feels so hydrating. And it says that this is more for dry skin, but I cannot wait. So with me, as I tell you all the time, I'm a combo girl, but now that I live in Florida, my skin is changing so much. Between age and the difference of the climate and everything, my skin has changed so much. So things that used to work for me when I lived up north versus what is working for me here has changed completely. So that is why I'm loving having the opportunity to try so many products at such reasonable prices through these subscription boxes. So this one is called, like I said, Yes To, and this is $9, this huge, huge container. And then the other choice was an eye cream, and that was around $10. The next item was from Pixie. And this I chose because the other option, and I'm so happy that I was able to get it too, was a lip product, which is usually what I choose 99% of the time. But this really intrigued me because Pixie is a brand that I fell in love with through Target boxes. I had the opportunity to try a lot of their products, and whenever I got a coupon in the Target box, I would always use it towards a Pixie product. And their sprays are some of the best. I think I own about 6 or 7 of them. That's how much I enjoy the brand. So every time I got that coupon, you had to spend $15. The sprays were $15 in the store, so I would use that towards that. And every month I treated myself to a new spray. This one here is called On the Glow, and they're saying it is an $18 value. The other choice was a lip product called Lip Lift Max, and it was in Peony Bloom. And this one says it is a hydrate your face, your lips, and your body on the go whenever your skin is feeling dull. And this is a travel-friendly solid moisturizer. It contains vitamin D2 to help promote your skin against damage, ginseng to revitalize and balance your complexion, and the glycolic acid to renew and moisturize. So when I looked up to find out more information about the product, I was so intrigued. And when you go in the text message, they say to you, they let you choose between the two, and then they give you a keyword that you type in. So on this one, I think it was glow. So you typed in glow, and then it went and asked you the next question for the next 2 options. And then you always have, even, if you go through the whole box and it's something you end up that you don't want, at the end of the text, you can always opt out. So it is just fantastic. So this is what it looks like here. It looks so unique. This is what the product looks like here. So to me, you twist it up like that, and then you can twist it down simply by turning the base. Is that not unbelievable? And to me, when you're traveling and you can get things like this in the stick, I started to fall in love with the Milk makeup brand simply because of how everything is within that stick form. So when I saw this, I had to give it a try. So that's the third item that I got to choose. The last one, for the first time, it had 3 choices. It had the choice from Milani. It had a cheek and lip multi-tisc in Berry Bolt. And then it had a Julep one, which is the one that I chose. And it says skip the brush blush in a neutral bronze. And then the last one was this Conja exfoliating sponge, which is what they ended up sending me. So this I find really unique as well. So this one, Julep, is another brand that I absolutely love. It's a huge box for what's inside of here, but really excited to have the opportunity. I'm pretty sure that's all that's in this box. Yeah, it has a false bottom. So really excited to try this. So I didn't know anything about any 3 of these, so it was really not, this was like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So this is what ended up in my cart. This one is a $14 value. The Milani one that I didn't get in the PR or here to show you is called the Supercharged Cheek Lip Multitask, and it's in Berry Bold, and it was $9. This, like I said, is $14, and the Conja exfoliating sponge is an $8 value. So this one here, it says, add instant luminous color to your cheeks, your eyes, and your lips, and boost your overall radiance on the skin. It is a cream stick that will create a diffused look. It can go on smoothly, then set to a long-lasting powder finish. It works best on light to medium skin tones, which is what I am. And I think the reason they had the other choice with Milani, that said it was best for medium to dark skin tones. So that's why I ended up choosing this over the two products versus the cleansing sponge. So this is what this looks like here. And let's do a swatch of this here. That's what it looks like there. I just did it twice. I'm gonna just do it once. And these also blend out really, really well. And you can use either what I do when I use cream products like this to, you know, contour my face. This, there's two ways that I use it. I use it either with a wet beauty sponge, or I use it with a dual fiber brush. So that those are the ones that you'll see, they're black on the bottom, and then they have like a white bristles on the top. What that is helps diffuse a little bit better, so it's a light diffuse as opposed to being a heavy duty. So that's what those look like, and that's what you end up doing by pushing it around. I think it's fantastic that this goes from cream to powder. I didn't know that, and I think that's really, really intriguing. So what's fantastic also is they give you a card, and on the card it has all the information that I just shared with you. It has the prices, it has everything. But like I said, I will leave link down below, the link that I used to sign up with them. There's no affiliation or anything to this brand or to this company. It is something that I fell in love with. They saw in my video, we communicated with each other. And then, like I said, they didn't do a quarterly last month. They did one now for spring. And that's when they offered to send me the PR. And they also gave me the option if I wanted to still continue with my box. And I said, absolutely, because this way I get to choose the items that I want. And then so nicely when she wrote back, because I wasn't sure when I did that PR package, you know, how that these were so different. And she said she saw my order, and that's why she put the other ones in there for you. So this way you guys can see both. It's still available. You do go on waitlist. So double check that first video that I did. Check this video, like I said, based on the products that I'm sharing with you, and then go on the wait list. You have nothing to lose. Then you go through the process, and if it's something that's not for you, you just opt out. But if you don't go on the wait list, you never know when you're going to get taken off. And I got notifications from so many of you from my last video that you decided to do this, and you're so excited. And I've already only seen one person already receive their box, and they're loving it as much as I am. So that really makes me feel terrific. But like I said, there's no affiliation. The link is the link that I use to get on. But they did send me that first package. But I think that's great, because if they would have sent me everything in this one package, I would have been able to show you both, which I thought would have been, you know, an easier way for you guys to make a decision. And then anything I would have gotten duplicate in mine, you know that I put that aside to you guys for future videos. So for future giveaways. So we'll see how they handle their PR, you know, in the next round. But I truly believe that if you're sending PR to a channel that's talking about your products, it's easier if we have both to be able to show you guys, so it's easier for you guys to make a decision. I can go more in depth of what each product does, so then you can make your choices a little bit easier. And that's what I love about starting to getting the PR, is that I'm able to share with you guys some more information, because you know I do informative videos. So as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. Please share in the comments if you ended up choosing to go with this box, or if you were already receiving the box, the previous boxes, what you chose, if you chose the same items as I have. And if you've already received your box, please share with me which products you've had the opportunity to try and test out, because in the comments here, we share with each other, and that's what our communication is with one another. All right. But I always like to end my videos off, as you know, during this time, that everybody, please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can all start to enjoy a little more, and a little more. All right? Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.